Whoever subscribes first or follow can get a beanstalk, mango, advanced sprinkler, cactus, chocolate grape, another cactus, and then another beanstalk. So we have three beanstalks. Beanstalks. Whoever subscribes or follows first and like. I would give a beanstalk. Whoever subscribes. Whoever does all of the requests, you can get a giant ant and a dog. Go,
May bar ka dyan?
meron pa.
Ano ba?
Wait, before we end this vlog, you can add me. My name in Roblox is Hannibal453. You can add me so I can know what your account is. I can give you the pets and fruits. Oh, hello. You can get beanstalks, mangoes, and cactuses, and grapes, and pets in Grow a Garden. Only like and subscribe. And I'll just comment in your comments. I'll reply to your comments if you comment. And then select your username so I can add friend you. If someone else friend you, Hannibal453, accept it and I'll join you in Grow a Garden and I'll give you free fruits and two free pets. The first one is the giant ant. The second one is the dog. So whoever is first gets the giant ant. And go hit that like and subscribe button. Go.